You created a trial reel and you see the results not bad, but now you want to put it into your Instagram profile. Alright, how do you do that? So in this video, I'm going to show you how. Before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone and let me show you how you can share your trial reels to your Instagram profile and put it public. Let everyone to see. Let's go. Alright, so first of all, open up your Instagram app. Let's find where is the trial reels. Just go to your profile. This is the fastest way to go find it. Go to this reels icon at the second one. Click on the trial reels. So for example, I want to launch this one. So click on this. Okay. So you open up the trial reel. So you click on the three dots. Alright. And then you click on manage trial. And then you can see here share to everyone. So when you just click on share to everyone, and then it is shared. So you go back, it is no longer in trial reel, and you go back, it is now here at the main feed. And then you will bring all your previous comments, your videos, all there. So yeah, so that's how you can bring your trial reels into your profile, share to everyone. So if you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.